Hello.
Hello. Welcome, Mommy Wholesome Bakes. I am bake. Thank you, Mommy, very much.
Okay. Welcome to Leah's Wholesome Bakes.
Yep.
And he said that he helps mommy and he loves me very much. That was very sweet, Eli. Thank you.
Yep.
Mwah. This is my baby. My other baby. Today we're going to bake pumpkin bars. Yummy. Okay, I just lost my helper. All right. We have our list of ingredients here. 3/4 cups of brown sugar, 15 ounces of pumpkin puree, 3 large eggs, half a cup of oil. You can use vegetable oil, canola oil, olive oil. I tried using coconut oil, but it's a little bit too strong, a little overpowering for these pumpkin bars. But if you like that taste, then feel free to use coconut oil. Half a cup of unsweetened applesauce, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 cups of whole wheat flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a cup of chocolate chips, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So we're going to start off with our brown sugar, or 144 grams of brown sugar. And to that, we're going to add our oil.
Yep. Can I add it?
You can add it. The oil.
And I mixed it up.
And you mix it up. And while you're mixing, I will crack the eggs.
Yep, you crack them and I'll mix it. Yep.
You can keep mixing that together.
Can I put it?
You can put it in after you mix those two together. Do you like the pumpkin bars that we bake, Eli?
Yep.
Yeah, they taste delicious. A little bit more.
Okay.
Are you gonna come over and join us, Jeremiah? You wanna help us?
Hi, everybody.
They can't see you. You gotta come over here.
Hi, everybody. Now
there are no shells in there, so you put the eggs in.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Quack, 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 quack.
And stab the eggs.
Make some more again. I was just touching the bag. I didn't forget.
Jeremiah's stealing chocolate chips from us. How about the vanilla? Vanilla extract.
Yep.
This is pure vanilla extract.
Yep. Is it sweet?
No sweet vanilla. And the applesauce.
Yep. The applesauce. Remember when we put the... Remember when we put the... Hello. On there?
Yeah, we did. Just now. We just got finished making the first batch of these. This is our second batch. Now I'm adding the pumpkin puree.
There's another pumpkin puree?
Yeah. This recipe is so easy to make, and I love it because you can make it all year long because they have pumpkin puree in a can all year long available. But I thought this was the perfect time to make it during the fall season.
I'm gonna put that in and that in and that in.
I'm gonna put all that in there. Okay, so now you keep mixing. And I have the 2 cups of flour here.
I'm gonna put that, and I'm gonna put this
You keep mixing that. And I'm going to measure out the chocolate chips.
Mommy, spoonful.
Yeah, I'll get them.
Okay.
You use them all?
Yep. Go ahead. Okay, so I'm gonna add the chocolate chips to the flour and sift that together. And the reason why I sift the chocolate chips into the flour is so that it can get coated. The chocolate chips can get coated, and when they get coated with flour, they will not fall to the bottom um, of the pan. They should sit nicely incorporated into the batter, and then distribute out evenly into the batter.
Don't the chocolate, you done when the chocolate, when the flour is out, you turn, when the chocolate, when those are, you turn it over and put it in.
Yeah. Yeah, because the chocolate chips don't go through the strainer. They're too big to go through the strainer, so I have to turn it over like this. I have to dump them out like that because they don't go through these little tiny holes. Does that make sense? Yeah.
Can I do it on there?
Oh, yeah. Go ahead.
Okay.
You sift it. That's the cinnamon.
I can do it.
Let's switch bowls.
Why? I want
Just
to
because
mix that.
we want to make I'll put all the dry ingredients in first, and then we put the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. So now we need the baking soda.
But what will mix that?
We're going to mix this into there when we're done.
Okay.
Dump that into there. Okay.
Okay.
And then we need our baking powder. See how mommy measures? Gotta make sure it's right. Good. Yeah, I know, no help. He's got it. Got the sifting down pat. All right, and our last ingredient is going to be the salt.
Am I okay?
There you go. You're doing such a good job, Eli. Good.
I'm gonna put that in here.
Yeah, now we're gonna just mix it together a little bit. You wanna mix that, or you want mommy to mix? Mix the flour, the dry ingredients together.
The sink is here.
That's okay. They can sink. You got your hands dirty? We need to get you a little apron, don't we? A little apron and a baker's hat. Okay, you want to... Here, how about I dump it and you mix with your spatula? Okay. And that's it. Very easy recipe. That's why I make them a lot. You want me to finish? Alrighty. So I'm sorry, mommy keeps hitting me. Is that better? Oh. You tired, buddy? Yeah? No nap today?
No. No.
And that is it.
Yep.
Mix it together. It comes out in a pretty moist consistency. It's kind of not runny, but it's loose.
Can I see?
Like that.
Can I see? Can I see it?
Yeah.
What?
I am going to use these square pans. 2 of these. I'm going to spray them with my cooking spray. You want to put equal amounts of batter in both of my square pans. Bake them at 350 degrees
Mommy,
in
where's
the
your
oven.
orange?
We'll have to get the oven out. And
I'll just
this will make, if you square it in this shape of a pan, it'll make 18 squares, 9 in each pan. And that is it. Thank you for joining us.